Clarendon massacre, 8 dead, 9 hospitalized in horrific gang shooting, government woes swift justice, 876 Newsj. 8 people are dead and 9 are hospitalized after a gang shooting in Clarendon. Learn more about the government's response and ongoing investigation. A horrific mass shooting in Clarendon leaves 8 dead and 9 hospitalized. Read about the government's response and ongoing efforts to bring the criminals to justice. Tragedy strikes in Clarendon, 8 dead, 9 hospitalized after brutal gang attack. In a nightmarish scene that has left the Cherry Tree Lane community in shock, 17 people were brutally shot during a mass shooting on Sunday night in Clarendon. The horrific event resulted in the tragic deaths of 8 individuals, while 9 others remain hospitalized, some in critical condition. The mass shooting has sent shockwaves throughout the nation, prompting an emergency meeting of the National Security Council called by Prime Minister Andrew Holness at 9 a.m. today. The Prime Minister, after receiving a preliminary briefing from the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, issued a stern directive for law enforcement to leave no stone unturned in their pursuit of justice for the victims of this heinous crime. Government's stern response: justice for the victims. Prime Minister Andrew Holness did not mince words in his condemnation of the attack. "I condemn this reprehensible, brutal, and senseless attack which resulted in several people in Clarendon being killed. I extend my deepest condolences to all families who are affected by this tragedy," he stated solemnly. The Prime Minister underscored the government's unwavering commitment to ensuring that the perpetrators are swiftly brought to justice. "I have spoken to the Police High Command and advised that all efforts must be extended to bring the perpetrators to justice as quickly as possible," he emphasized. "The Jamaican state will not countenance such savagery being meted out to our people. We will respond strongly." This chilling reminder of the ongoing battle against violent crime comes at a time when the country has seen a significant reduction in murders, approximately 17% this year. Despite this progress, the Clarendon massacre highlights the persistent and dangerous presence of criminal gangs across the island. Near the Prime Minister's assurance about continued efforts to combat crime. A nation united against crime. Prime Minister Holness reiterated his administration's determination to eradicate criminality from Jamaican society, stressing that the government will not relent in its efforts. "We will not surrender our society to criminals," he declared, urging the nation to stand united against the threat of violence. He also made a public appeal for anyone with information regarding the gun attack on Cherry Tree Lane to come forward and assist the police in their investigation. Stay updated with 876 Newsja.com. As the investigation unfolds and the nation mourns, we at 876 Newsja.com will continue to provide updates on this tragic event and other significant news stories. Be sure to subscribe to our website for the latest information.
Thanks for staying informed with 876newsja.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates. See you next time.